Hello, good morning to all. Today I'm gonna show you the BurJuman mall, which is one of the oldest shopping mall in Dubai, in the residential area of Burj Dubai. So let's see. The best thing of this mall is that there are 3,200 parking spaces as well. There are 300 stores in this mall, and as well, look at the interior. It's also too much good. So we can enjoy here. All those who really watching my videos and really likes my videos as well. I'm just waiting for your just little bit comment about my videos, and if you want to give me any suggestion, you can just type into the comment box. Thank you so much. Thank you to